Hey everyone, welcome to Decor Tricks. If you're dreaming of a kitchen makeover, you've come to the right place. Today, we're sharing the top 8 kitchen renovation ideas that can transform your space into a culinary haven. From innovative layouts to cutting-edge appliances, we'll explore a variety of ideas that blend functionality with stunning design. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for some inspiration to update your kitchen, these tips will help you create a space that's both beautiful and practical. Let's dive right in and discover how you can turn your kitchen dreams into reality. Stay tuned for some exciting transformations and clever tips. An open concept layout is one of the most transformative changes you can make to your kitchen. By removing walls and merging the kitchen with adjacent living or dining areas, you create a more spacious and inviting atmosphere. This layout not only enhances the flow of natural light but also makes your kitchen the perfect spot for entertaining and family gatherings. Consider adding an island or a peninsula to your open concept design. These features provide additional counter space, storage, and seating, making your kitchen both functional and stylish. An island can also serve as a focal point where family and friends can gather while you cook. If you're worried about losing storage with an open concept, think about incorporating smart solutions like built-in shelving or multi-purpose furniture. This way, you maintain the airy feel without sacrificing practicality. An open concept layout truly elevates the heart of your home, turning it into a central hub for daily activities and special occasions. It's a great starting point for any kitchen renovation, setting the stage for the other ideas we'll explore next. Updating your cabinetry can dramatically transform your kitchen. Modern cabinetry emphasizes sleek lines, efficient storage, and a clean look. Custom cabinets maximize space, while two-tone designs add visual interest. Open shelving is a trendy option that combines practicality with style, letting you display favorite items. Choose durable, easy-to-maintain materials like high-gloss or matte finishes. Soft close hinges and drawer slides add a luxurious touch. Modern cabinetry enhances both functionality and style, making it a key element in your kitchen renovation. Upgrading your kitchen appliances can enhance both functionality and style. Smart appliances offer convenience and energy efficiency, allowing you to control them remotely. Professional-grade options provide advanced features for serious cooks. Consider your kitchen layout when choosing appliances. Built-in options blend seamlessly, while statement appliances like stylish range hoods can add flair. Energy-efficient models save money and reduce environmental impact. Upgrading appliances can transform your cooking experience and enhance your kitchen's overall look and efficiency. Choosing the right countertops is crucial for both aesthetics and functionality in your kitchen. Here are 3 popular options to consider. Durable and low maintenance, quartz countertops come in various colors and patterns. They are resistant to stains and scratches, making them ideal for busy kitchens. Stone countertops like granite offer a unique and elegant look. They are heat and scratch resistant but require periodic sealing to maintain their beauty. For a warm and inviting feel, consider butcher block countertops. They are perfect for adding a rustic touch to your kitchen and can be used for specific areas like an island. When selecting countertops, think about your cooking habits, maintenance preferences, and overall design theme. Quality countertops not only enhance the visual appeal of your kitchen but also contribute to its functionality and durability. Effective lighting can completely transform the ambience and functionality of your kitchen. Here are some key aspects to consider. Combining different types of lighting such as ambient, task, and accent lighting creates a balanced and functional space. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, task lighting focuses on specific work areas like countertops, and accent lighting highlights architectural features or decor. Installing lights underneath cabinets not only enhances visibility on countertops, but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen. It's perfect for tasks like food prep and cooking. Consider adding statement light fixtures such as pendant lights or chandeliers. These not only serve as functional lighting sources, but also add a touch of style and personality to your kitchen. When designing your kitchen lighting, aim for a combination of functionality and aesthetics. Properly placed and layered lighting can make your kitchen more inviting, efficient, and visually appealing. Efficient storage solutions are essential for a well-organized and functional kitchen. Here are some innovative ideas to consider. Maximize storage space and accessibility with pull-out pantry shelves. These allow you to see and reach items stored in the back easily. Make the most of corner cabinet space with corner drawers or lazy Susans. These solutions eliminate wasted space and make it easier to access items stored in corners. Custom inserts for drawers and cabinets can help keep your kitchen organized. Consider drawer dividers for utensils, spice racks, and pot organizers to maximize storage efficiency. By incorporating these innovative storage solutions into your kitchen design, you can create a clutter-free and functional space that makes cooking and meal prep a breeze. The backsplash and tile work in your kitchen can make a significant impact on the overall aesthetic. Here are some ideas to consider. Classic and versatile, subway tiles are a popular choice for backsplashes. They come in various colors and finishes, adding a timeless charm to your kitchen. For a statement look, consider using tiles with bold patterns or geometric designs. These can add a pop of color and personality to your kitchen space. Extending the backsplash to the ceiling creates a dramatic and cohesive look. It also helps protect your walls from splashes and spills. When choosing backsplash tiles, think about the style and color scheme of your kitchen. The backsplash is an opportunity to add visual interest and tie the design elements together seamlessly. Adding personal touches to your kitchen can make it feel truly unique and reflective of your style. Here are some ideas to consider. A custom range hood can become a focal point in your kitchen. Consider unique materials like copper or reclaimed wood for a distinctive look. Upgrade your cabinet knobs and drawer pulls with personalized hardware. This small change can add character and charm to your kitchen. Incorporate artwork or decorative pieces that serve a purpose. For example, a decorative fruit bowl or a wall-mounted wine rack can add both style and functionality. By incorporating these personal touches, you can make your kitchen a space that feels truly yours and enhances your overall enjoyment of the space. In wrapping up our journey through these top kitchen renovation ideas, remember that the key to a successful renovation lies in finding a balance between functionality and style. Whether you're aiming for an open concept layout to enhance space or upgrading your appliances for added convenience, each decision should align with your lifestyle and preferences. By focusing on quality materials, innovative storage solutions, and personalized touches, you can create a kitchen that not only looks stunning but also works seamlessly for your everyday needs. Don't be afraid to mix and match ideas to create a unique space that reflects your personality and taste. Lastly, remember that a well-planned renovation can increase the value of your home while also enhancing your quality of life. So take your time, plan thoroughly, and enjoy the process of transforming your kitchen into a beautiful and functional space that you'll love for years to come. Cheers to your new kitchen! We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights for your own kitchen makeover. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from these ideas, and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement content. We love hearing from our viewers, so feel free to leave a comment below sharing your favorite renovation tip or any questions you may have. Your feedback helps us create more content tailored to your interests and needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy renovating!